In this video, I'll show you how to use print on demand in your Wix store. With print on demand, you can sell products in your Wix store just like any other item, while Printful, the supplier, takes care of producing and shipping the product to your customer. This means you don't need to make it yourself or keep any inventory. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up your account, design your product, set your pricing, and get started with selling. Let's dive in. To get started, log into your Wix account and head to your dashboard. From there, click on Catalog and then on Find Products to Sell. If you don't see this page, make sure the store's app is installed on your site. The Find Products to Sell page is your gateway to the print-on-demand feature. Here, you'll find a selection of suggested products to start designing right away. If you'd like to see more options, click on Explore More Products to browse the full catalog. Here, you can browse all the products available in your selling region. Use the search bar to find specific products or apply filters to narrow by size, price, color, and more. Once you find a product you want to sell, click on it to view details like pricing, shipping costs, sizes, colors, and more. From here, you'll start customizing it as well. Now it's time to customize and design your product. Start by selecting a printing method. This decides how your design ideas take shape on the final product. Each product will display its available printing methods. To get more information about each method, hover over the tooltip. After you've chosen a printing method, click on Start Designing. This is where your product really comes to life. Add your logo, custom text, or fun clip art to make the design uniquely yours. Depending on your chosen printing method, you can place your branding in unique areas like tags and labels to give your items a professional, polished look. After you finish designing, select the mock-up images you'd like to display in your store. These mock-ups are what your customers will see while shopping. Next, set the product's price. In this step, you'll see the price Printful charges for each size, the retail price displayed in your store, and the estimated earnings you'll make. Because I chose to sell a t-shirt, I can adjust the retail prices individually by size or update all sizes at once. When setting your prices, remember that estimated earnings don't include shipping, taxes, or additional fees. Let's make sure your product matches your brand voice. Start by customizing the title and description to reflect your style and speak to your audience. If this is your first print-on-demand product, Wix will guide you through setting up a Printful account. You'll also get an email to set your account password. You don't need to log into Printful to create or sell your product. Everything is handled right here in Wix. But to keep things running smoothly, we recommend you set up a billing method in your Printful account. This way, each time you sell a product, the fulfillment fee will be paid automatically. Or you can choose to pay the fulfillment fee manually for each item sold. Once you finish setting up print on demand in your Wix store, designing your product and setting its price, it's time to start selling. But before you launch, double-check all the details in your product listing. When you're satisfied, unhide the product to make it visible in your store. Now, when a customer places an order, Printful will handle the creation and fulfillment. Bonus tip, in your Printful account, you can add custom packaging, thank you notes, packing slips, and more for a personal touch. And that's it. You now know how to set up, design, and sell print-on-demand products in your Wix store. For more tutorials, check out our Help Center and YouTube channel.